Hello everyone. We know that India has been hit really hard with COVID-19 pandemic का second wave, and it is probably the worst crisis India has to face after partition. And जो साधारण आदमी है, he is running on the roads for oxygen, for beds, for ventilators, for medical aid and support. And I really want to salute all the NGOs and people who are working tirelessly, sometimes out of their own personal capacity to help these people, and it's a really commendable job that these people are doing. But there is also a underlying problem that is going on with this pandemic. See, the restrictions on our movement and lockdown has been put in place to break the chain, to break the transmission of the virus. But because of this, a lot of families, a lot of small businesses have been put out of their business. ऐसा हो रहा है कि कुछ लोगों को दो वक्त का खाना मिलने में भी दिक्कत हो रहा है. And this is also as major crisis as the medical crisis that is happening in the country right now. And I think there is another problem, another crisis, another scarcity that we all have been facing. Oxygen का problem, oxygen का scarcity है, food का scarcity, but there is another problem that every one of us is facing, that is on a psychological level. जो आंकड़े हम देखते हैं, जिस तरह का न्यूज़ हम देखते हैं, वॉट एवर इज़ गोइंग ऑन अराउंड आउट, इट्स हैज़ टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा. एवरीवन हैज़ टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा ऑन देयर पर्सनल लेवल. और काफ़ी डर है, काफ़ी होपलेसनेस है अराउंड अस. एंड जिस तरह से हमें ज़िंदा रहने के लिए ऑक्सीजन और फूड चाहिए, हमें उसी तरह से एक रीएश्योरेंस ऑफ होप भी चाहिए दैट थिंग्स विल गेट बैक टू नॉर्मल, एवरीथिंग विल बी राइट, एंड we will emerge stronger as a nation. And I was thinking about this a few days back, and that's where I thought of a project. I would like to call it Project Hope, and I want to talk about that with you today. Okay, so what is this Project Hope I'm talking about? Now, as an academy, as a director of ARH Design Academy, we have collaborated about this project with Love Care Share Foundation in Pune, which was set up in 2016. You can see their work on the screens. Love Care Share Foundation in Pune was set up in 2016, has grown with the objective of uplifting the underprivileged. Till date, their human welfare drive has reached 4 lakh plus citizens, out of which during natural disaster relief program, they have reached around 3 lakh plus affected citizens of Kerala floods in 2018, Maharashtra floods in Sangli and Kolhapur in 2019, and in Pune, along with Shrivardhan cyclone in 2020. Beyond this, they also have an animal welfare program which was able to provide 1 lakh meals to stray animals, dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes, pigs, bird, etc. across Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad and Panvel and Lonavala. They also have taken up various social activities with the help of a dedicated group of volunteers and partner organization. They work in all sectors, namely human welfare, animal welfare, women empowerment, environment protection, relief to poor, educational guidance, etc. With Project Hope, we are trying to raise the funds that will be given to the NGO that they can use for their cause. Okay, so how are we going to raise the funds for this organization? It's very simple. The idea is to organize a competition, a creative competition, with a very marginal fees of just 50 rupees per entry per person, and the funds collected through this competition, all the funds without any cut, without any profit, will go directly to the foundation. Now, the subject of or the theme of the competition is hope, and you can submit your artworks in 3 ways. So either it can be a drawing, painting, sketch, caricature, a canvas, or anything of 2D format, or it can be a photograph that you have taken earlier, or it can be a short write-up or a poem or a essay or a short story which talks about hope. Now, so what should be the artworks about? Now, I know the main agenda or the objective of this competition is to raise funds for the Love Care Share Foundation. But I think as a creative person or the group of creative people that we are, it becomes our responsibility to help raise the morale of the society or the people around us. And let your artwork talk about that. Let's talk about a healthy India after this. Let's talk about a brighter future. Let's talk about a booming economy. Let's talk about people helping each other. Let's talk about the faith in humanity restored. Basically, with your artwork, what you should try is to give someone that hope that there is a future ahead of us, and it is worth looking for, it is worth waiting for, and it is worth going through all this. So that's what your artwork should be about. And I would like to urge all of us, all of you, to break free of this hypothetical barriers of class, caste, religion, gender, geographical location and all, to come together as a group of creative people and help people in raising that their morale. Let's be a part of something bigger than ourselves, let's do something larger than life. So I understand that a few of you might have trust and credibility issues. The project, there can be issues about project management and experience that about this project and other stuff also, and it is, I totally agree. About the Love Care Share Foundation, I will you can go and check their Instagram page for the type of work that they do. And me personally, I have been associated with another NGO which have been working for the same cause. And as ARH Design Academy, in the month of December, we have taken a project where we raised 25,000 rupees by selling the artworks of the students, and those funds were utilized to provide 50 ration kits to 50 families of 500 rupees worth each, which was enough to feed a family of 4 people for at least 7 days. So this has been my experience, and this has been the experience of Love Care Share Foundation. And to kickstart this project, I will personally be donating the entry fees of all the students, past or present. All the students who have been associated with ARH Design Academy, their fees will be paid from my personal capacity to kickstart this project. So if you are a student of ARH, any year, any batch, any duration, please come forward and take part of this. I will be paying your fees from my side. If you still have trust issues, or if you have credibility issues, I understand, and please feel no obligation to take part in this. But I would urge you to find a cause near you and that you trust and that you care about, and donate or help them in whatever way you can, in terms of cash, in terms of kind, or in terms of maneuver, whatever is possible to you. See, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है कि मेरे थ्रू या किसी पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन को पैसा जा रहा है, किसी एनजीओ को पैसा जा रहा है, या किसी दूसरे एनजीओ को पैसा जा रहा है, किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉज के लिए जा रहा है. इस मोमेंट पे ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि मदद लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस टाइम पे. और इफ़ यू कुड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद पीपल हु माइट बी इंटरेस्टेड, दे कैन टेक पार्ट ऑफ दिस, एंड मे बी दैट इज़ द पार्ट you can play in this competition. Alright, so I hope I was able to make myself clear about this project. If you want to take part in this, if you are interested in the project, please ping me on WhatsApp. My number will be somewhere down here. And the last day of submission of the artworks and the payment is 12th of May. Ping me on WhatsApp. I will guide you through the further process. Also, please feel free to share this video with anyone who might be interested in this, and encourage your friends and family to take part in this. See, it is not about how good or bad your artwork is. It's about involving as many people as possible so that we can raise more funds for the NGO, and so that the message of hope is spread as farther as possible. So that being said, this has been my time. I will give you an update about this project in a day or two. By that time, please stay safe, take care of your family, friends, and people you love. Stay home, stay safe.